A little hot?
Hot, but it's not killing me yet.
Then you need some more then.
I hear it takes a few minutes to set in.
I know, I'm trying to get it.
Like they always sit there like it's okay, and then it starts getting hotter and hotter. Like
A little bit of water on it.
Get a little hotter.
no.
Oh, come on.
I mean, it's hot.
Okay, let's put a little
I'm
bit
not,
in here.
like, I don't
and-
understand why people want, well, I mean, I guess I could understand if you put too much on and being on the ground, but why, you want me to do more? You want me on the ground. I did.
You gotta suffer like I suffer.
I mean, I still feel it. I don't put so much and I'm like,
How about like a little capful of this?
I
Yeah.
didn't even put water on my paint here.
Did you see what excruciating pain he went through?
Yeah.
Eating
We're on
his
your
butt.
You should make me feel better.
You should be.
All
You
right.
should be
What?
squirming.
What are you doing? I ain't doing that.
Touch it with your finger.
Stick your tongue in it.
I
Like
still
that.
have a little burn though.
Man, it's not hurting you though.
Hey,
You
not on
make
the
me feel
ground.
better.
You're
Like
This
you
isn't
drink crickets.
YouTube like material.
Yeah,
He's
just
being
put your finger in
fine.
it.
I mean, what do you want me to do? You want me curled up on a, like in a ball? Seriously?
That'll make me feel better.
I mean, my tongue's still kind of on fire.
Doesn't count. Go, go, go. I'll dip my cricket in
There
the
you go.
extra.
That's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, already on fire.
Right in the back of the tongue.
No, not. It's gotta be in the front. Got me in the front.
Yeah, don't touch your eyeballs later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Her face is turning red.
A little bit hotter.
A little bit higher. It's hot in this.
Uh-oh, the lethargic speaking's kicking in.
But it's still not what I expected.
Ah.
That's what I said. I don't understand why she was so afraid.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, all those videos made me afraid, but that's not, I mean, I'm not like.
That's what I said. She's like Mexican.